Alright, so this is going to be a video showing how to delete the idle air assist valve right here. Just to kind of get rid of this line, clean everything up a bit. So I already got these loose. You just use pliers, get them up off there. Same here, same there. This one I didn't have anything, it just kind of was hanging out on there, so pull that off. Once you get this loose, this comes right off. You want the motor to be cool while you're doing this. You don't want it to be hot because there is coolant flows under here, so if you pull this off while it's hot, you're gonna get a bunch of coolant come flying up out of there. So let it cool down. The engine's cool. So then you get this loose, get this one loose, pop that up off there, pop that off there. All right, so I just use a crescent wrench, get up in here, get it on there. You want to make it easier for yourself, disconnect the throttle position sensor, kind of get that out of the way, and just push this down. You could pop this off, it'd be pretty easy to get out of the way, but you don't need to. Get it on there. There it goes. All right, that came loose pretty easy. Come off just like that. All right, and that's it. That's the idle air assist valve. Set that aside. Kind of just wipe this off a little bit. So there you can see there's coolant in there. Little coolant port. That's what I'm using. Ultra copper gasket maker. It's good stuff. Really high temperature. Seals up real good. This is what it looks like once you get it all. I use gloves. This stuff's pretty nasty. So you put a little bit on that top little bleeder plug. Put that in first. And then I put it on decently thick, nothing crazy. I'll wipe the bottom off so you don't want to try not to get any inside your engine. That's about what it looks like though. Alright, so after you get the sealant on, I got it started by hand. It's a 3/4. I'll get it going by hand a little bit more. Tighten that down. Get as far as you can with your fingers so you don't cross thread it. And then tighten it down. You don't want to go too tight. Once you start to feel it bottom out, stop. That's it. It's in there. You're gonna want that, let that sit overnight so it fully cures, so it doesn't leak on you. And then you gotta plug that up. So for that, let's use this vent cap this in with the kit. Push it down on there. And that's it. You're done. It's all cleaned up. No more lines. Looks better.